we are going to look at what a database is and the different types of databases. Then we will look at where to find them and how to get started searching within them. A database is simply an online catalogue of articles from journals, books, newspapers, conference proceedings, and much more. Articles contain up-to-date information with new content being added every day. Databases allow you to search hundreds of sources of information in one go. If you would like to know more about journals, please see our tutorial on journals. There are many different types of databases. Some cover specific subject areas, some span many different subjects. Articles in a database are available as full text, the full article is provided, or as abstracts, a short summary of the article is provided only. Many of the databases that DIT subscribes to are full text. Go to the library homepage using the URL on the screen. The link to our databases is under the Resources column. This will bring you to the A-to-Z list of all the databases that DIT subscribes to. Each database on the list has a brief description of the topics covered and the type of content provided. Please ask your librarian for advice on choosing an appropriate database to start your research. Click on your chosen database from the list. The first screen of most databases is a basic search screen. This is a good place to start when you're searching databases first. Enter a couple of keywords to describe your topic and hit search. These are the results of the search. Scroll through them to find articles that you are interested in. To read a summary of the article to see if it was useful to you, click on the title. You also have an option to link directly to the full text in PDF form. This is the type of screen you will see if you click on the PDF link to the full text of the article. From here you can download the article and then save it for future use, print it out for your research, or email it to yourself. If the full text of the article is not available, please talk to the library staff about access to the article. You should now know what a database is, where to find the databases that DIT subscribes to, and how to get started searching a database.